Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you my total profit from a kucoin trading bot. This is a future trading bot on kucoin platform. I created this bot 26 days back and I only invested $116 into this bot and I got a profit of $22 from this $116. So if we calculate this 22 divided by 116 and multiply by 100, it is almost 19% profit from 1 month. Actually, I didn't have any intention of closing this bot, but the thing is, when I set up this bot, even though my price range was from 930 to 1300, you can see the bot was ended as a take profit was triggered, and you can see take profit price was 1330. When I set up this bot, I put the take profit target for this bot. It was 1330. So since this take profit target, take profit price was hit, this bot was closed. So I'm not going to explain how I set up this bot because I have explained it in my previous video. I will put the link in the description for that video. So I use this kucoin platform to trade crypto, especially using bots, because it is very convenient to use kucoin platform for bot trading and it has low fees for bot trading. So if you don't have a kucoin account yet, I have a link in the description. It is my affiliate link. You can create a free kucoin account using that link and there is no need of KYC verification. You just need your email address to create a kucoin account. Since that is my affiliate link, you can get few bonuses after creating a kucoin account using my link. So make sure you check it out. So in my next video, I will show you how to create another crypto trading bot on kucoin platform. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will not miss that video. Until next time, bye bye.